Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate standard deviation in Google Sheet. Great for analyzing data like test scores, sales or anything. Standard deviation tells you how spread out your numbers are from the average. A low number means they are close together. A high number means they are more spread out. To find it, just type this formula into a blank cell. Is equals to capital STDEV open bracket A2 colon A10 close bracket. Replace A2 colon A10 with the range of your data. Hit enter and that's your standard deviation. Quick note: use STDEV if you are working with a sample of a data. Use STDEV if you have the entire population like full survey result. You can also label the result like typing standard deviation in the cell next to it, and even use conditional formatting to highlight outliers based on that value. And that's how you find standard deviation in Google Sheet. So if this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.